something chocolatey, drizzly, sugary. It's gonna be good. Previously, the flow rider. Knock on the door and conquer the flow rider. This is gonna be good. Look at you! Throwing out the trick. Under the perfect storm now. Whoa! It's rippy in here.
Not say it. I don't want to hear it.
Packing. Well, can I fit this queen mattress in my suitcase? Dan, the cruise director, is available for 5 o'clock tonight. A great insight into Mr. Dan, the cruise director's life here on board the Independence of the Seas. Good, Peter?
Yeah.
You get that?
Yeah. You walk around with the...
Sound like I have a bomb in my backpack. Got the time lapse, like the thing that makes time lapses go like this. Got that in there. Which way is it? This way or this way?
The champagne bar is in the... that way, right?
Back?
I think.
Okay. We'll find out, won't we?
That's near guest service, which is that way.
Yes. Okay. I'm excited. It'll be fun. There you are. Good to see you. Yeah.
I have my office.
Okay.
So we can sit.
Perfect. Perfect.
Wonderful.
To you.
How was Passionate?
Oh my gosh, amazing. All right, you guys, well, we are here with Dan, the cruise director. He is gonna talk with us for just a few moments, give us a little bit of insight into his life on board the Independence of the Seas and with the cruise company, Royal Caribbean. You gotta check out the video right up here in this corner. Just got that done. Got the interview with Dan. What an amazing guy.
Yeah, so personal.
What an awesome guy.
So authentic.
Yeah, and you know what? He's going on vacation tomorrow. So a happy vacation to you, Dan, if you're watching this. Really did enjoy having some conversation with you before and after the interview. Like even after the interview, he just sat there and talked to us for like another 10 minutes. Just about life. Hello.
Hello.
Just about life and, you know, his family and his favorite, you know, foods and all that kind of stuff. Great guy. If you got him as your cruise director, you guys are in for a treat. So unfortunately, we have to finish out that awesome interview. We have to back it up with something not awesome at all. Packing. Maybe we can have a nice view while we pack though. Let's open this up so we have a nice view. Oh, I have loved this room, Peter.
Yeah, me too.
I really have. Definitely would book this room again. Oh yeah. And it was so cheap too, it was the price of an interior.
Right.
Like it's the price of an interior, you're literally not getting an, I mean you are, but you're getting an interior with a view.
So close in.
Not at all. Not at all. Yeah, I would definitely book this again. Well, there we go. We are packed up. You got your stuff? I got my stuff. We're got our carry-ons for tomorrow. Really, the only thing left to go in this right here is just the computer stuff. So I'll pack this up tonight after I get all the footage from today off of it, and then just really the power strips and the power bricks, and that's about it, honestly. And the bathroom, yeah, our bathroom stuff. You know, soaps, toothbrush, deodorant, that kind of thing, shaver. So we'll pack that up in the morning, but other than that, yep, we're all squared away. Got everything all taken care of. So we're gonna head up top really quick and just see one more sight of the sea for the daytime before we say ciao to it and we get ready for an amazing and absolutely stunning night tonight here on board the Independence of the Seas. Tonight we have got the show Grease. This is the main show production. So I doubt that I'll be able to film any of that. Royal Caribbean PR department may allow me to film some B-roll, but I definitely won't be able to show you the audio, anything like that. You'll have to come check out the show yourself. After that, we've got the 80s party. 80s party right out here on the Royal Promenade, so I'm really looking forward to that.
Cool.
Oh, it's up by the pool.
Yeah, it's on the pool deck.
Oh, well that's gonna be fun.
I actually thought I was down there too, but then I checked the schedule and it's up on the pool deck.
Yeah, how neat. So, okay, so that'll be up under the stars. That's gonna be nice and fun.
Yeah.
And then after that, we've got late night comedy. They actually have comedy here in the Royal Theater, back in the main theater tonight, and that is awesome. I really do love that. Because I remember on the Allure of the Seas, the comedy was in like this really small, like, yeah, it was very small, very awkwardly shaped lounge. I mean, like, it had to be like, I'm pretty sure there were bars that were bigger than this lounge.
They stuffed everybody in there.
Yeah, it was not a not a very pleasant experience. So I'm happy to hear that they've got it in the Royal Theater right now. Let's head up top, see the sunset that's about to happen. So we always know we're going the right direction when we see this wonky thing. Look at this. Look, it like rolls its out. It's like follow. Oh, you see, it's a fly on its nose.
Fly.
She's like swatting at it.
Yeah. It's crazy looking. The art is very different on this ship.
Very, very, very different on this ship. And look at this. What's going on, Sorrentos?
They have nice, like,
candlelit dinner and stuff. Oh, look. Oh, get it. Oh, we missed it. We were too busy checking out Sorrento's. Silly us.
It's so pretty down there, though.
It is. It looks absolutely magnificent. Love it. Look at that. Now let's not miss it again. Oh goodness, we're about to miss it again. Deck 12.
Oh, it's still light out.
Yay. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Look at all the colors, the pinks and the blues. Oh my gosh. How spectacular. I know what movie's playing. This is spectacular. Love it. I tell you what, this never gets old right here. Right here. This never gets old. The sunsets at sea, I think, is what I always remember most about each and every cruise, especially the last one. It is always just absolutely magical. You got to get up here and see it. Make sure you give 10, 15, even 20 minutes. And just get up here and catch a sunset. It's one of the most magical things you'll ever see at sea, as the sun just falls right into the ocean, it seems. You gotta see it, guys. You gotta see it. It's so magical. We're heading down. Here in the main dining room for our final dinner tonight here on board the Independence of the Seas. Let you take a look at the menu for tonight. Ooh, that crispy coconut shrimp sounds good. You know what? I think they were making that earlier. Remember?
Yeah, we saw this morning. We saw that.
That is so. Oh wait, maybe that was the shrimp cocktail. That was the shrimp cocktail. Yeah. Huh. So I don't know though. I may have to get that crispy coconut shrimp. That sounds yummy. Over here for the main courses, the classic fish and chips obviously sounds great. Roasted turkey also sounds superb. Aged prime rib of beef. The braised lamb. Oh, you know what? I got the braised lamb on the Allure, and that was fabulous. So what I think I might do is actually, I'm going to do something I haven't done all week. I think I'm going to do the lamb and the fish and chips.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to get 2 dishes, because why not? You know, tomorrow we're going back to starving to death and having to pay for everything, so why not, right? Here for the desserts. Toasted almonds, chocolate sauce, chantilly cream. Interesting. I think I might get that, and I don't know, maybe the creme brulee, maybe the apple pie. I don't know, I have to decide.
The royal
Or the royal fudge cake. We haven't even had that yet.
And that was delicious.
Yeah. So I don't know, we've got some hard decisions to make. Our final night here. Both Peter and I ended up getting the coconut shrimp tonight for our appetizer, and let me just tell you, it's fabulous. It really, really is. The coconut really adds a nice sweet flavor to it, and then the sweet chili even that they provide for the sauce. It really does just make the most perfect appetizer here right before I make it. Did you get the lamb too? No. Yes? Yeah, we both got the lamb. We both got the cod, but you want... Yeah, you only got just the fish. I got the whole thing. I'm being a fatty tonight. My goodness, Peter. How is that lamb shank? That thing
really
looks
it's really flavorful.
phenomenal. Look at that over there. So we both ended up getting the lamb shank, like I just mentioned a moment ago. Came with some spinach there, some mashed potatoes, some white beans there on the side, even some little tiny cherry tomatoes. How cute. And then on the side, I also got the classic fish and chips, and that looks marvelous as well. Came with steak fries there on the side. Peter got the exact same, just no fries for him. So we've got to eat up. We're on a little bit of a time crunch. It's just after 8:30 now. Showtime coming up tonight. The main show, Grease, as I mentioned a little bit earlier in the vlog, is going to be at 9 o'clock. So gotta take this up a notch. There it goes. There it goes. Our final main course. That was awesome. It really, really was. Yeah, that was an amazing main course. That lamb was so tender. It literally fell right off the bone for me. I don't know about you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but it fell right off the bone for me. And then that fish, super flavorful. You could really taste like the different marinades that they had it in, the different sauces and all that kind of stuff it was cooked with. So really did enjoy both of those. Dessert is here. Peter's got his royal chocolate cake. How is it?
I'm trying to down it. It's awesome.
Yeah, he's trying to get it down real fast. We've got our show soon. And then I got a almond crusted ice cream cookie, something chocolatey, drizzly, sugary. It's gonna be good. Got a jet. Got a speed. Got to do like that jet boat yesterday in Cozumel. We gotta fly to the. Wait, are we here? Are we in the back?
No, that's Studio
Oh, we're at Studio B. Okay, so we gotta go up for it.
Up and down.
Up and down. Oh, somebody's jamming. If we'd have had more time, we could have come done all this stuff, but yeah, we didn't even get a chance to do it.
Where are you gonna be? Well, to the right or left? I'll look at that.
You'll be able to see the tree.
Okay.
Ready?
See.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, we're fine. All right, we made it. Peter's nerves are in check. We're good. Here's our view.
This is a cool set.
It is. It is. So, I think it probably goes without saying, but there will probably be no recording in this show. So, if anything, I will be able to put in some B-roll. I'm going to check with the PR department, make sure that's good. That's okay for me to do. And if not, then we'll catch you on the flip side. Grease musical was fantastic, really, really good. It was really quiet. It was really good, but we thought the 80s party was at the pool.
Right. Right.
I don't know what's going on here, if it is, though. Wow. I guess it is right here. What?
That's right, Council Boys. Look up to the flying bridge. Your entertainment team are coming down to party.
Oh, it is inside.
Get your groove on.
My goodness, they are rocking there. The 80s party?
80s street party.
Street party, yeah. It was supposed to be, I swear it was up on the pool deck. It was. Well, there it is right there. I know. It looks absolutely awesome. We just picked up Colin. You guys remember Colin from the group cruise? Let me make sure. I love this thing. It saved us so many times.
Oh, yes.
Oh, see, look, it's literally gonna save us right now. We were going to the wrong side. We picked up Colin from the group cruise. He asked us to pick him up a ship model. He asked us to pick him up a ship model, so we just picked that up for him. We're gonna run it back to the room. Then we're gonna head up top, just see what's going on up top. Walk around in the open air for just a moment before we head back down. Coming up at 11:30, they have got late night comedy actually back down in the main theater. So the first and only, I guess, comedy show of the cruise. So we're gonna head down and catch that as our final activity here on board. Beautiful Independence of the Seas. It's been an amazing cruise, Peter.
Oh yeah,
really has. I mean, no complaints.
It's really like the best coordinated.
Yeah. well.
All right, yeah, maybe.
It was really good. This land. You guys can see it, those lights there, that's exactly what we see. It's not a camera malfunction.
Ship coming.
Or going with us. Yeah. There's another one back there.
Huh.
See it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's so unfortunate.
Yeah.
Darn it. We really have had just the most amazing time on board the Independence. We really have.
I love this
Wait,
ship.
me and Peter were saying today, I really can't tell you one big thing that I don't like about this ship.
Right.
I really can't. I really cannot. It's it's exactly what everybody said.
Yeah.
It's a really, really good ship.
Yeah.
Like really, really good ship.
I would not change a thing about it.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely one of my most favorites. So we just jetted up here. We're gonna hang out up here for just a few more moments, and then, like I said, we do have to get back down into the main show lounge for the late night comedy. I'm looking forward to some more belly laughs. We've already been given plenty this week with the Love and Marriage show and Quest last night, but so where we're gonna finish out our amazing adventure here on board Independence. Well, we've just left the comedy there in the main lounge. It was oh, that's a crew area, Peter. Yeah, and there's like a crew bar. It's pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
So we just left the, like I said, we just left the comedy show there in the main lounge. We come back here to the very back of the ship. I actually came around here last night when I lost you.
Oh.
Yeah. It's the very back of the ship down here, deck 4. So you can just look out, see the horizon and all that kind of stuff. Oh, don't do that, Peter. Don't do that.
I can't really see over.
No, don't do that. You're gonna fall overboard. So guys, this is where we are gonna finish you out for tonight. Now tomorrow, we are back in Florida. We're heading over to Miami. We're gonna be spending the day down there, and actually the evening. We're not flying out until the day after tomorrow. So we're gonna be spending the day down there, probably on Miami Beach. We'll head over, maybe have lunch over there. Peter would like to do the scooters again. So we might do some scooter riding and a whole lot more stuff. You do not want to miss it. We will see you tomorrow. Bye guys from the Independence of the Seas.